inside the Harrison Point Primary Isolation Facility at a time when Barbados has close to 1,000 patients in isolation, from children to young adults and the elderly. Today, an exclusive interview with Yvette Calendar, the COVID-19 positive patient in primary isolation.
I was having severe dry cough, loss of appetite, and I decided to go and have it checked out. And the first test was negative, and then the second one was positive. I was sent into the isolation at the hospital, and then from there here.
When you first found out that you tested positive, were you afraid?
Yes, because I know nothing about it.
Do you mind me asking if you have any comorbidities, diabetes or hypertension?
Yes, both and hypertension. Yes,
On the initial assessment, what were the doctor's concerns?
I had lower oxygen and pressure was low. At first, the blood sugar was high, but it's getting there.
Are you vaccinated?
No, but I'm thinking of it
Is there a reason for your hesitancy?
because I wasn't aware of the situation then and how this not having it done could have been worse. Now I'm considering it because I don't want to get worse. I want to get better.
What do you say to Barbadians who think COVID is just a common flu?
Take it serious, not just a common flu. It is an actual thing. Try and think about the seriousness of it and be considerable and stop playing the fool around.
How have you been treated here at Harrison Point by the staff?
Wonderful, because had not for them, I would not be in this position in order to speak to anyone. This morning they got a surprise that blew me. I actually had a walk outside in the sun along with the oxygen tank, and I spent some time outside staying up in the sun, which was fantastic.
I asked you earlier if you feared for your life given the number of deaths these last few days, and you said no. Why is that?
Because I am a devoted Christian and I believe in the Almighty. I does my prayers to Him every day. Whole day I pray.
The church has received a lot of backlash after being identified as the source of some clusters. What would you say to churchgoers?
Please be careful and stop it. Stop the congregation and doing the wrong things that you're doing, and think about it and do the right things.
Miss Calendar, thank you for sharing your story with me and the wider public. I wish you a full recovery. Reporting from Harrison Point Isolation Facility in St. Lucie, Krystal Hoyte, CBC News.